here with me in the studio, Sarah Becker and Natasha Harrison, and joining us remotely from New York City, we have attorney Joseph Marrone with us as well. So thank you, ladies, and thank you, Joseph, so much for standing by with us in New York. Okay, first question to each of you I want to ask is, what do you think the defense legal theme and theory will be? Since you're all practicing criminal defense attorneys, what do you think they will do when they have the opportunity to open up on Wednesday? And Natasha, since you just joined me at the table, I'm going to toss the first question at you, please.
Sure. So I think defense will very likely focus on the civil motive here. Harvey Weinstein is a high-profile defendant. There's a lot of motive for people to go after him for his money. There will surely be lots of civil suits associated with this. I think that the fact that it took a very long time for the victims to speak up, I think that will be an issue. Why'd you take so long? Why now?
Gotcha.
So I think that they're going to go along those lines amongst other, avenues.
Legal theme and theory for the defense. Essentially, by legal theory, why under the law should they win? Joe Marrone, I'm going to go out to you now. What do you think we can expect from the defense team?
Look, there's no question the defense is going to really rely hard on the fact that there was post-communications between these victims and Harvey Weinstein. These communications were endearing, they were compassionate, so they make a claim that they were sexually assaulted, but then you can find emails and you can find voicemails how they wanted to be comforted by him, while they sought out advice by him. So if they're claiming they were assaulted by him, why would they do that? And that's going to be their big push. And then their big push is going to be, this is the casting couch. This is the environment that we're in. This is the movie business. This has been going on for years. Listen, even though you may not approve of it, this is consensual. And that's all he needs to win this case.
Gotcha. Joe, thank you. Last but certainly not least, attorney Sarah Becker, what are your thoughts on legal theme and theory for the defense team?
Yeah, I agree. It's going to be the legal theory of consent. And I think that the theme or the story that they're going to tell is going to be one of, maybe this is a bad guy, maybe this is a bad situation, and it's awful what happens with the casting couch and other things. But as long as you have consent, that doesn't matter. We're not prosecuting the industry in the way that it conducts itself in this trial. We're prosecuting one man. And if you find that these women consented, then your verdict's got to be not guilty.
Gotcha. Sarah Becker, Natasha Harris, and Joe Marrone, thank you all for your thoughts. When we come back, we'll hear from another one of Harvey Weinstein's accusers. Former news anchor Lauren Sivan talks about her encounter with Weinstein at a club. And 25 years ago this week, the trial of the century began. The role that prosecuting attorney Christopher Darden played in the O.J. Simpson trial is still being debated today.